Okay, so hey guys, sorry I sound like this, but I'm sick right now. I have strep throat and ear infection, so yeah. And if you hear a video playing in the background, I'm trying to look up the Nyan Cat challenge. I'm on APARRIS channel right now, so yeah. Sorry for the background thing. I just need to see what website he's on. No, an ad. Oh man. Seriously?
Hey guys, and
No, that's not what I clicked on. Oh my gosh. I like the theme song.
Hey everyone, it's APARRIS here, and today I have a fun little video planned for us. So I'm here with my sister Kosho. Say hi.
Hello everybody.
And do you want to explain to them what we're going to be doing?
Okay, sure. So we have this thing. It's called
Okay,
nyanit.com, and basically you enter the link of whatever game you want, and then Nyan Cats will float across your screen as you play that game.
While the Nyan Cat theme song is playing.
While the Nyan Cat theme song is playing, yes.
And hold on, I'm adjusting my volume. Okay, there we go. Hopefully it doesn't get too loud. Is that good?
Yeah, sounds good.
Alright. Okay guys, so basically what we're going to be doing is playing Sky High as Nyan Cats. As you can see, there's a small one right there. Flow across our screen.
wait, how do you get there? Nyan Cat. Wait, let me go to his channel. APARRIS. It's right here.
Hey everyone, it's APARRIS here, and today I have a fun little video planned for us. So I'm here with my sister Kosho. Say hi.
Hello everybody.
And do you want to explain to them what we're going to be doing?
Okay, sure. So we have this thing. It's called nyanit.com, and basically you enter the link of whatever game.
Oh, nyonit.com. Nyonit.com, I guess. Oh, okay, so wait, let me see what they entered. I don't know what they entered. I don't know what I'm supposed to enter. Sorry, this is taking forever.
Hey everyone, it's APARRIS here, and today I have a fun little video planned.
No! Okay, so HTTP www. Oops. There. This should. Oh my gosh. It's really loud. Wait. Nyan it. No! What?
So I'm here with my sister Kosho. Say hi.
Hello everybody.
And do you want to explain to them what we're going to be doing?
Okay, sure.
Explain.
So we have this thing. It's called nyanit.com, and basically you enter the link of whatever game you want, and then Nyan Cats will float across your screen as you play that game.
While the Nyan Cat theme song is playing.
While the Nyan Cat theme song is playing, yes.
And hold on, I'm adjusting my volume. Okay, there we go. Hopefully it doesn't get too loud. Is that good?
Yeah, sounds good.
Alright. Okay guys, so basically what we're going to be doing is playing Sky.
I don't know if I typed that in right. I don't know if I did. Maybe I should type in Animal Jam? I don't know. Wait, let me try it one more time. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this! No! Wait. And, hopefully this isn't that loud. Cat animal channel. Jordan.com /play, oh no, /game /play. Yay, okay. Nyan! Okay, so go away. I don't even know what that is. Okay, I guess I have to do that. Okay, now I'm gonna be doing Sky High. Wait, I wanna see if APARRIS on. No, he's not. Okay. Okay, let's see. I bet I can make it halfway, depending on how big these Nyans get. Okay. And I'm using APARRIS trick, but he said to follow these gems. So I'm going to follow them. Sorry for my coughing. Oh my gosh, my throat really hurts. Eek! Okay. This is all APARRIS' idea. I just, you know, well, APARRIS got it from someone probably, and I don't know who got it from, but yeah. I just got this idea to do it from APARRIS. Oh my gosh, there's a really big Nyan Cat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I almost died. How big do these even get? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. How didn't I die? How did I not fall to my death? No, where's the cloud? Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh, I almost fell that way. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that is a huge Nyan Cat. Wait, where am I? No! I fell, okay. Oh, wait, no. Where's the button? I don't want to try again. Okay, well, yeah, that was the Nyan Cat challenge. Shout out to APARRIS. Go subscribe to him. He's awesome. I love him. What the heck? Go away, Nyan. Oh wow, I just thought that you can just click them to go away. Oh wow, that would have been so helpful. I want to visit your gun. So low. Oh, whatever. Anyway, wait. Okay. Anyway, see you next time, my stars. Bye!